Hey friends, in today's video, we're diving into a brand new AI Shorts niche, cute ducks. This topic actually came from a fan request, so thank you. After doing some research on YouTube, I realized that this cute duck content is super relaxing and visually adorable. It's perfect for YouTube Shorts. As you can see, the views are amazing. Some of the top videos have over 20 million views, and one of the channels is only 1 month old, with over 60K subscribers and nearly 80 million views in just 30 days. That's crazy, right? Even though Shorts usually have a lower RPM, this kind of reach still means solid income. For example, my own YouTube Shorts channel has an RPM of around $0.12 to $0.13. So just imagine how much ad revenue 80 million views can bring in. Do the math. Anyway, let's get into it. Make sure to subscribe and share my channel. Now, let me show you the demo video I made first. So, what do you think? Pretty cool? Alright, now I'll walk you through how to make this kind of video using AI. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to break down a video into scenes, how to write prompts for image and animation generation, how to create images and animations, some editing tricks, and how to swap the duck with other cute animals. Make sure to watch until the end. I'll be sharing small but important tips throughout, like how to keep the character consistent or tweak prompts for better results. Step 1. Break down the video. As you can see, the original video has 5 main scenes. We'll generate those one by one and then stitch them together. Step 2. Get prompt ideas. Here's how to get started. Open a popular duck video on YouTube. Screenshot for each sense. You need carefully for this. Paused on the beginning of each scene and screenshot. Don't rush this part. Take your time. You can use the built-in screenshot tool on Windows or Mac, or even your phone, whatever is easiest. Once your 5 screenshots are ready, go to ChatGPT. Drag all 5 images into the chat, then paste this prompt. I am going to recreate this video. Give me detailed prompts for Flux to generate images for each shot. Then give me prompts to animate them in Kling. I want consistency. Each prompt should be at least 4 to 5 detailed sentences. Make it photorealistic. Click send and wait a few seconds. By the way, I also share all my prompts in my WhatsApp channel. You can find the link in the description. You'll also get early access to my videos there. Now back to ChatGPT. It will give you prompts for both the images and the animations for each scene. Pretty cool, right? Step 3. Generate images. I've tested Leonardo AI and Piclumen AI and both work great. Here's how I use Leonardo AI. Choose Phoenix 1.0 model set prompt, enhance to auto style, dynamic image dimensions, more. TikTok 916. But Leonardo gives you only 150 credits day. Each image costs 24 credits. So if you plan to use it a lot, I recommend subscribing. Link in the description. For this tutorial, I'll use Piclumen AI. Click Launch App. Pro tip. For consistent results, open Advanced Settings, choose Fixed Seed, and enter any number. Then copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Piclumen. Choose Piclumen Art V1, set image size to 916, and click Generate. Repeat the same for the remaining scenes, then download the ones you like. Step 4. Create the animation. Now we'll animate the images using Kling AI or Haluo AI, both work. In this video, I'll use Kling AI. Some people say it takes a long time, but here's a trick. Use it during off-peak hours. I usually do it after 8 p.m. Then it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to finish one animation. Click Create, drag in your image, then paste the animation prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. If the animation doesn't look right, like missing a turn or action, just tweak the prompt. For example, I once had to add turning around to get the motion I wanted. Worked like a charm. Step 5. Edit the video. For editing, I'm using CapCut again, and this one's pretty easy. Remember the reference video we downloaded earlier? Open CapCut, import the demo and the clips you made, drag the reference video into the timeline, right-click, extract audio, add your clips, and align each one to the audio. Resize the clips to remove the watermark if needed. You can also add keyframes to make it more dynamic, or apply filters, totally optional. Then export your video, and you're done. Super easy, right? Now, if you want to swap the duck with another animal, like a red panda, just adjust the prompt. Boom! You've got a brand new video, new toy, new vibe. Stick to this method, and you can create tons of cute animal videos. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps out. I upload 2 new videos every week, so don't miss out. And hey, take some time to explore my channel, you might find some unexpected inspiration. Let's end with a red panda demo video.
Kini tinggal kenangan saat-saat kita bersama. Sungguh sangat ku